Hi there, today we're going to have a quick look at how to get your T4s from workforce.intuit.com, which is the QuickBooks site for payslips and T4s and stuff. Probably got an email like this that says your T4 slip's now available. Click on the sign in link. Obviously, if you know your user ID or password, put it in here and click sign in. If you don't know your user ID or password, there is a handy link underneath I forgot my user ID or password. So this is to recover your account. I'm going to go ahead and just put in my email address and click the submit button. Then I'll get a link in my email to recover my account. Might not be an email address, it could be your phone number or a user ID that you might use, so try a few things. Once you reset your password, sign in. Now, hopefully you've seen this screen before. This is your workforce account. There's a link for TurboTax on the right, so you can do your own taxes. You can download your pay slips, and you can click on tax forms. So here in tax forms, the 2022 year, I'm just going to click the view link. And now you have a copy of your T4 slip. You can save it to your phone or tablet, whatever you're using. Email it to people at your own risk. It does have your social insurance number on it, so be safe.